Now, most of us dog owners will have heard of the term kennel cough. You may be wondering how to tell whether your dog's got it, how to prevent it, or what symptoms to look out for, and we're going to be answering all of these questions in this week's vlog. Now, kennel cough is the common name given to infectious bronchitis in dogs. It's very similar to a common human cold or chest infection. The most obvious symptom of kennel cough is a real hacking cough. And now this can either be dry and hoarse, or it can be productive, where you can get some mucus, it can sound like they've got something stuck in their throat. Now, whilst it is a nuisance, kennel cough often is not a problem for dogs. It's just like a common cold. We humans get them all the time. However, if your dog is a puppy, elderly, or is already suffering from an illness, kennel cough can develop into pneumonia, which can be really, really dangerous for your dogs. A dog's respiratory system is actually designed to protect against the invasion of infection. However, certain environments can leave them vulnerable to infection. Now, these include things like being surrounded by cigarette smoke or dust, being stressed by busy environments. There are a lot of different things that can actually affect their immune system. Now, some of the infections that can cause kennel cough are actually included in the basic vaccinations that you give your puppy. These injections can be done for your dog once he's 4 weeks old, and this is going to cover him again for 12 months, and then you'll need a booster jab. If you think that your dog has contracted kennel cough, then there's nothing to worry about. Usually, in cases of kennel cough, it's going to be really easy for your dog to actually recuperate from this. You just need some rest. If your dog is perky and eating well, then there's probably no need to call your vets. Now, you can get some antibiotics for kennel cough, and also cough suppressants and anti-inflammatory can be given to your dog just to make him a little bit more comfortable during his recovery. In most cases, kennel cough will disappear within 3 weeks. Now, you may remember from last week's video that we had a special competition on, and we'd like to announce that the winner of last week's competition was Eric Rycroft. So he's going to be getting his Kong Lion toy that Albert's very interested in sent through to the post to you just as soon as you send through your address to relaxmydogmusic@gmail.com. But fear not, we've got another competition on this week, and this time it's in for a chance to win one of these bone chew toys. So if you and your dog would like to win this, please do just comment your best doggy tip or life hack in the comment section below. We're really looking forward to reading them, and we'll be announcing the winner on next week's video. If you did enjoy today's video, please do give us a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, then make sure that you hit that button. But that's it from us for now, so we'll see you again next week.